So before diving deep into object-oriented programming in Python, there are some stuff that you should know in Python to move forward. You should be very well aware of what the variables are and what are the data types in Python. For example, string, integer, boolean, list, and dictionary. You should be very well aware of how to work with the functions in the Python and well versed as of how dictionaries work in the Python. So these are some basic things that you should be aware of before moving forward into this course. What you don't need to know, you don't need to know any advanced Python features or any frameworks like Django or Fast API or any web development or database knowledge. You don't need to know all of that to follow along this course. So these are setup sections. So basically the Python should be installed in your system and you are able to execute Python scripts from your terminal. You have to verify that so that you can follow along this course. So how you need to follow along is you have to watch the video first, right, to understand the concepts, and then type along with the code examples. I'll try to push the code examples to the GitHub and share the repo into the description so that you can easily clone and copy the code into your own system. You can change the values, break things, and then fix them. This will help you understand how actually the things are working in this. So this is how you should follow along this course. So stay tuned. Thank you.